Alright, so let's go ahead and finish up our object lines here. The last thing we need to worry about is this slant, this slope here at 30 degrees. So if we go back and look at the drawing, we see we got a slope here and it says it's 30 degrees. So to do that, I'm going to grab my line tool and I'm going to click right here, and I'm watching how this comes over. Okay, and it starts here. We know it's at 30 degrees, so I'm going to say at 2 inches long, I'm going to make it an angle of 210 degrees. Okay, so there's our first one. And then for our second one, take the line tool and I'm going to snap it right here. I'm going to say the same thing, at 2 less than negative 30, and there will be our second point. So I just need to come in here and trim. I'll get rid of this little piece here. There we go. And I'm just going to click these green lines here. Be careful you don't get rid of a construction line. There we go. A little piece right here. There's our final shape. Okay. The last thing we need to do now is bring a couple of these points over, okay, to our side view, and we can see how we can infer. Alright, so I'm going to pause here, and that lines me up here, and I'm going to bring it over till it connects. Alright, now I need to trim this little guy away right here. Alright, let's step back here a step. I'm going to hit undo. Hit escape. Undo. I'm going to grab my line tool. I'm going to hover here. I'm going to translate across from here to here. Okay. I got things confused a little bit. Then up here at the top, I'll take my line tool. And I'm going to bring this point down. Actually, I want to offset. That would be even better. Offset 1/4 of an inch and bring that point down and just trim. Like that. Zoom in. I need to get rid of this so I can trim, or I can just bring this back here to that point. Now I believe we have all of our details as far as the object lines are concerned. So I'm going to come up here to my layers. I'm going to click the light bulb beside construction lines, and it'll get rid of all of them temporarily. Okay. The next thing that I need to do is add hidden lines and center lines. Okay, hidden lines are anything that you can see from one view but not another. So an example of that would be right here on this part. Let's turn the construction lines back on for a second. So right here we have a hidden line. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and draw that in from here to here. And the reason that this is hidden, it's showing this vertical piece here in the back. Okay, so you can't see it here, it's hidden behind, but that's where that L shape starts. Alright, and it would be the same on this side over here, so it'd be from here to the bottom. Okay, then we need one center line. That'd be our line tool, and that would just be outside. Center lines go outside the object lines. So right here would be a center line because we have a circle. Then up here we need a center line. Okay, so I'm going to take this, find my center point. I'm just going to pull like that. Pull like that. And this is pretty extreme, but we'll stick that there like that. There would be our center line. Now let's come up here and turn off our construction lines. There's our finished drawing. At this point we need to go ahead and save this. There's one last step that we'll do, but we'll save that for another video. So go ahead and get this saved. Don't worry about the layout 1 at this point. Just get here, get this saved. And again, you can toggle the line weight off or on down here. And we'll add the next step in where we put it onto the layout next video.